you guys knew how many times I took that, I did a take. Oh well. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure to subscribe real quick. I'm gonna give you a second to do that because let me tell you the reason why. There's no coincidence that you stumbled upon my channel. There's no coincidence that you clicked this video. So because you did that and you were brought to this spot, you might as well go ahead and I'm gonna give you time to go do that real quick. Go ahead. I think you did that right. And if you did, that's what's up. You can dap me up through the. Thank you. All right, cool. Today, one second real quick. If you like this sweater, if you are liking this like little thing I got on, if you like this, make sure to copy one. I have a feeling somebody might want this, so I'm gonna make sure I give you the information that you need. As you can see, it says Fashion Nova. Let's turn it back around. So it's the Good Vibes Only sweatshirt in the color Heather Gray and a size small. So, if you are looking for a little gray, little sweat thing, I feel like this would be it. Get you one. There's that. Okay, let's put that to the side now. I need some water first. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 tips on how to focus on yourself. I'm not going to say in 2020, in 2021, in 2030. I'm not going to say any year because in life, this is what we need to do for ourselves. We need to, make sure we're focusing on ourselves in order to move forward and become something in this world. Let's get right into these 4 tips that I got for you guys. Ooh. Got me a little clipboard thing to make sure I don't forget no tips and tricks, so I'm a little prepared, if you would say. Okay, so the first topic that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is cutting people off. Cutting people off. You need to do it. And let me tell you why. I'm not saying everybody like your mother, your brother, your auntie, your uncle. Nope. I'm not talking about everybody under the sky. You don't need to be completely alone, but I feel like it's really hard for a lot of us. We feel like we need to be around somebody or we need to have people in our lives, but know the right people that are in your lives and know the wrong people that are in your lives. And if there's the wrong people that are in your lives, negative energy, or you feel like things are not working out with these people, you need to let them go. And we're going to talk about why, okay? First of all, cutting people off. First of all, it's going to save you lots of stress. You're going to be stress-free because you only got to think about yourself. You're not going to be thinking about what Jessica's doing, what this person's doing, your friends hanging out without you. You don't got to worry about all that stuff. You just worry about yourself. When it comes down to it, you getting rid of people out of your life is going to make you realize that you have your own life to worry about and your own things to worry about and your own business to take care of. Cutting people off releases stress. No more thinking about others. You start thinking about yourself somehow, some way, okay? Make sure you guys are leaving people alone that are not motivating you to do better. And this goes with cutting people off because, there are people that we hang out with and they love our company because of what we are right now. Is what you are right now the finished product or the product that you want to see in the future? If it's not, then you need to get the people that are, not motivating you to become a better person or just be better, just be a better you need to leave them be. If they're not helping you get off the ground, then you more than likely need to push it to the side because we're not doing that. The last thing that goes with cutting people off is getting out that toxic relationship. You need to know if the relationship that you're in is for you. If it's if you'll know if it's not. I should not have to give you tips and tricks on how to know that, but if you want a video like that, let me know. Leave a comment down below and I got you. Because in order to focus on yourself, you cannot be trying to entertain and love somebody else when you barely love yourself or what's going on with yourself right now. So get out that toxic relationship. You need to start cutting people off. It's going to save you lots of stress. And you need to, you know, leave those people alone that are not motivating you to do better or become a better you. You need to make sure you're putting that first, because we need to think about ourselves, okay? You need to start putting yourself first, okay? Let's get to the second tip now. Put this, I'm gonna fold this and put this under my pillow, because sometimes I be forgetting, but we ain't forgetting no more. The second thing, or the second tip that I have for you guys on how to focus on yourself, is visualizing your goals or where you want to be in life, or what you need to do right now in order to get to where you need to be. Start visualizing, start planning, start putting stuff together mentally in your mind, like, okay, I need to focus on myself. What exactly do I need to focus on with myself? What am I not happy with? What do I need to change? You need to start thinking about all these things and visualizing it and planning it and putting it all together, and then start applying those things. You need to start taking the steps that you need to take in order to get to where you need to be. And if you want tips on that too, you can let me know. Leave a comment down below. I got you. I got another video coming for you guys. Just be patient with me. Start thinking about where you want to be in life. Is it the people around you? Are you happy with the people around you? Are you happy with the energy that they're giving you? Are you happy with what you're doing right now? Do you want to be in a better spot? More than likely, if you click this video, you probably want to be in a better spot. So let's start thinking about ourselves, visualizing what we need to do, where we want to be, what we want to look like, and start molding that, shaping that, and practicing that. And that will get us to, you know, focus on ourselves a lot more. I would say I'm gonna fold that up again because all this stuff is going under my pillow. Best believe. The third tip that I have for you guys about focusing on yourself, how to focus on yourself, is after those two things, find a hobby. Find something that you enjoy doing, something you probably loved to do when you were younger. Some people still like to color, some people like to be creative, do all these, you know, these crazy things. And the reason why I say to find something you like to do or find a hobby is because you don't want to feel so alone in the becoming alone process. Come on, cellular device. Come on now. Okay. Anyway, we're gonna put that down. Yeah, you don't want to feel so alone in the process. And if you find a hobby or something you enjoy doing or something you truly like to do, if you find something like that, then more than likely you're gonna forget about people not coming in and out of your life. You know, like, it's not going to be that much of a deal. Find different hobbies. Some people like to go to the gym, some people like to read books, some people like to, you know, go skateboarding. You know, you choose what you want to do. I know I like to do in my free time, I like to go to movie theaters. I might bring one of my siblings with me, and if I don't have one of my siblings, I have other friends that I could probably, you know, go see a movie with, or I could just go by myself. But if I'm gonna go by myself, I might as well just watch my TV over there, because I don't know who's really going to the movie theater by themselves. And if you are, I need to get like you. So comment down below if you do that, because I'm about to be like you, and you need to make a video for me so I know how to do that without feeling weird. Okay, yeah, find a hobby or find something that you truly enjoy doing. And to be honest, more than likely, if you find a hobby or something you enjoy doing, some people make careers out of that. Like, a hobby, find something you enjoy doing, find something that will help you focus on yourself and get you away from feeling so lonely. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm gonna grab that. I don't want to rip that little piece of paper, so what we gonna do is, and the final tip that I have for you guys, obviously I feel like everybody knows this, but we just don't want to admit it so much. Do not compare yourself to others. We all have a problem doing this. I have a problem doing this. I know you have a problem doing it. Even if you say you love everything about you, you probably have a problem doing it too, because we all compare ourselves to other people, successful people, people who are doing better than us. It's just not a good thing to do. In order to focus on yourself, stop worrying about what other people are doing. I just want to let you guys know it is not a race, it is a journey, okay? The process of you changing and becoming a better person, that should be all you're focused on. That is you. Like, you need to focus on yourself. If you need to unfollow the people that you are following on social media because they make you feel like you're not enough, they make you feel like you're not doing good enough, you go ahead and do it. Like, no one is judging you. No one can tell you how to run your life. Stop worrying about what the next person is doing. Like, you know, we all have our friends, okay, they're doing this, they're doing that. Stop worrying about what they're doing and how they're accomplishing and how they're getting themselves out there. You need to worry about yourself and what you need to do to become a better version of you and a better person and just better in general. And in order to do that, you do need to focus on yourself, and focusing on others really is not helping you focus on yourself. You have to be real with that. Once you admit that to yourself and realize, okay, this person, I love that person, but every time I look at them, they're making me feel like I'm not good enough, I need to unfollow them, or I need to stop looking at their stuff so much, or I need to stop looking at them that way. And if you are not strong enough to control that part of you, that is okay. Go ahead and unfollow them, because the strongest thing you can do is put yourself first, okay? You know, I just want to make sure you guys do know that stop comparing yourselves to others, because, you know, a lot of people that are successful and doing all right and doing everything that they could, or just looking almost perfect, they had their journeys, they had their steps, they compared themselves to others, and I'm sure they are still comparing themselves to other people as well right now to this day. So, and if they're not admitting that, you know, okay, but it's the reality. I know. So yeah, but I just want to make sure you guys have, you know, couple of tips and tricks on how to focus on yourself. I hope those 4 tips and tricks really did help, and if you guys are looking for more, feel free to let me know. Leave a comment down below. I got you. Make sure you subscribe real quick. Go ahead and subscribe, because, you know, I know we got a connection right here, and I know you guys want to be better. I know you guys want to do better. I know you guys want to look better. So I got you. Yeah, if you guys like videos like this, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.